IPL 2020 has been super exciting with its unpredictability so far. There is a very small difference of points between the team at the top and the team at the very bottom. This makes the tournament unpredictable as any team can turn the tide around towards them. Let's see how the table looks now as compared to the last year's table at the same stage of the tournament. For a few seasons now, Mumbai Indians have been known for their slow start in terms of wins. Last season, Jasprit Bumrah powered them to the 4th spot in their first 5 matches with his brilliant performance. Mumbai also went on to lift the title last year. They had the most balanced side last season, and this season they are no less. They currently occupy the first spot on the table. Rohit Sharma, Pollard and Trent Bolt have been powering Mumbai Indians with early wins, and the team looks to be in great touch. Here is how they stood then and now. Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals currently occupy the second position on the table. Last year at this stage, they were 5th on the table. Kagiso Rabada and Rishabh Pant had been in tremendous form last season, and they both had already started winning matches for Delhi then. The absence of Rabada later dented the progress of Delhi. As of this season, Shreyas Iyer has been leading the team from the front, being their star. The team looks balanced with the presence of players like Marcus Stoinis, Prithvi Shaw and Rishabh Pant too. Here is how the team stood then and now. Kolkata Knight Riders have been banking on their big guns for a long time now. Last season, the mighty Jamaican Andre Russell powered them to the second spot in just 5 games with his all-round performance. This season, the tides have turned with youngsters taking up responsibility. Shubman Gill has been a key player for KKR this season. Pat Cummins, being the most expensive player this tournament, has not been in the best form, and as a result, they currently occupy the 3rd spot on the table. Royal Challengers Bangalore have had some rough matches in the past. Last season, at the 5 matches point, they were yet to win a single game and were at the very bottom of the table. Virat Kohli and ABD Villiers were their lone warriors last season, and they could only do so much. This season, however, they have turned the tables and got to winning ways. They currently occupy the 4th position on the table, with Yuzvendra Chahal being their best player this season so far. Young guns like Devdutt Padikkal shining also seems promising for the team. Here is how they stood last year and how they stand now. Chennai Super Kings. 2019 was a fruitful season for CSK as they reached yet another final. They have a 100% record for making it into the playoffs, and just like any other season, CSK was sitting on the 2nd spot this time around. Shane Watson's inclusive in the team had been paying off so well that he was their most valuable player last season. This year, however, we have seen the Australian perform well only once, and the absence of Dwayne Bravo and Raidu for a few games, and Harbhajan Singh and Suresh Raina pulling out of the tournament has dented the winning ways of CSK. They currently sit on the 5th spot after Faf du Plessis being their most consistent player. This has been rather unlike CSK to be in the bottom half of the table. This is how different things were last season. Sunrisers Hyderabad looked to be a formidable team last season with the kind of form their top three batsmen were in. Kane Williamson had been simply sublime and had powered them to the third spot in their initial 5 games. This season, however, Sunrisers seem to be struggling at the 6th spot. Rashid Khan has been their best player so far with an economy rate of less than 6 this season. The absence of Bhuvaneshwar Kumar could dent the team's confidence even more so. Here is how they stood then and now. This time last season, Rajasthan Royals were struggling to find winning ways. They were placed 7th on the table with only one win. The big man Ben Stokes had been a one-man show for the team the entire season by being their star performer. This season, his absence along with Jos Buttler early on has led to other players feeling the same pressure. Although Smith, Tewatia and Sanju Samson have been in tremendous form, Rajasthan Royals still sticks to the 7th spot this season. They are at the same position as they were last season at the same point. Kings 11 Punjab have been underperforming for a while now. Even with the presence of the informed Chris Gayle last season, they managed to cling on to the 6th spot at this stage. This year, both the openers KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal have been in tremendous form by being the top 2 run getters so far, and yet the team is yet to find winning ways as they are at the bottom of the table. As the difference between points is not big as of now, they will be looking to start climbing higher as they have the potential to do so. Here is how they stood last season and how they stand this season at this stage. Here is how all the teams stood last season and how they all currently stand this season. Who do you think will be standing on the first spot by the time the league stage ends? Let us know down below.